Welcome back to the channel, Fishing Goops. We're out here on a new lake today. My buddy Mike found it. So, not sure what to expect. Maybe we'll get lucky and find some fish, dial in and see what they want. Not sure if they're bedding here yet. It is a little bit bigger body of water than what I'm fishing back home, which they are bedded in. So they could be up shallow. And bait fish are up, so that's a sign that the bigger fish should be up. But the only way to find out is to try to catch some. Stay tuned. Woo!
I like how you told me to do a swim bait and then you're over here throwing worms.
First one of the day, ladies and gents. Excuse me, first one of the day, ladies and gents. I don't know. I can't wear it right today. About to get a pound and a quarter.
You need to weigh it?
Huh?
You got a scale?
I've got a scale. Are we keeping weight?
I mean, you can.
You want to keep weight?
Sure.
So Mike has made this competition, but he's already losing.
I lose every time. Make it sound like it's something new.
Well, you're not wrong.
I am here from experience, Gregory.
£1.47 pounds.
1.4? You said pound and a half, so you were on it?
Well, I said pound and a quarter. So 1.47. Not sure if you can see that or not. But not a bad start to the day. Been out here for what? Half hour?
Yeah.
Just cruising the bank.
So there's clearly fish in the pond.
There's at least one fish in this pond.
To be determined.
Number 2 for today. He choked that one.
What was the poundage on that?
I don't know yet. Probably about 2 pounds.
Huh?
Probably about 2.
6?
2.
Oh.
1 3/4.
2 3/4?
1 3/4.
Oh, nice.
1 3/4 ain't bad. I haven't caught any 6, 7 pounders yet, so. It's about to be a rerun of fishing out there at the Chowan Pond on the kayaks. Catching them underneath the boat. The thing fought like a decent one right there at the beginning. Might have been another pounder. Just gotta remember something made those 1-pounders, you know?
Yeah.
Now it's just the wind carrying me. Jesus. Speedboating. What color worm you got on?
Too dark, too light. See, this is, I think, is where you're talking about with the beds, because I see a lot of algae and then I see sand, you know?
Yeah, but when it's a super sandy bottom like that, you'll just see bevels.
Okay.
It's kind of like a bowl sitting in the sand.
Yeah.
Of course, being right on top of it like we have to be, we're not really going to be able to see if there's fish on beds, because they'll push off if the boat comes on them. Because ideally you want to be about 10 to 15 feet away from them. Yeah, there would have been no way to bank fish this really. Yeah, boy. Mike. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That is a beauty. Say 2.5, 3 pounds, maybe. Oof. 3.8 pounds. It's almost a 4-pounder. 3.8. 3. That is a beauty. She goes. Sorry to keep bringing you in after I've set the hook, but I'm trying to conserve battery as much as I can. And it's supposed to be capturing 3 minutes before I hit record. I think it's a quick capture feature with the GoPro now. But I'm not sure if it's doing that or not until I get to editing. If it is, you probably won't even hear this part. Biggest one of 2021. Whew. Can't complain about that. To Mike's defense, this is his learning day. Fishing with a bait caster. It's his first day using one, which is doing rather well with it. So his excuses can't be so valid, but we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. They just lost the big one on the other side of this little peninsula. It's a painful feeling when you lose a big one. Mike's laughing right now, but I guarantee if it was him, might be a rod missing in the lake. I'm telling you, man, it's the bait caster. This one. Look at here. Oh, McNasty done caught him one. Okay, he might be a pound. Maybe a pound? Maybe a pound. You gonna weigh him?
Yeah.
is just slide it under the gill plate. His own pounds.
Unit, pound. 1.16.
Take it off and re-zero.
Yeah. You think it's high? 1.16.
Okay. I see it.
Only 17 more pounds to go to catch it.
Got on shore for a bathroom break and a drink, and you finally got one. Good job, Mike. Sorry for the wind noise if there is any. It's quite windy, but fish are still biting, so we're still here.
You want me to pull my scale back out? It's right there.
No, I got it over here.
Buddy. Oh my God, almost died on the stump. Almost died on the stump.
Oh. I really hated to do it, but Mike caught his little one right here just a few minutes ago. Figured I'd cast over and catch the fish he couldn't catch. Another tank. Probably a little bit thicker than the other one. These fish are post spawn too. See how flat the belly is there? How sunk in it is? So she's already dropped her eggs. Alright, so zero it out. It's actually smaller than the other one.
Really?
The other one had length though. 3.06 pounds.
It's a birdie one.
Let's throw on land and get a nice release on this guy. There she goes. Got another big one, guys. Another tank. Three, 3-1. Three, 3-1. On this bank. Mike's mad, by the way. He wasn't around here when I caught it, but he came around the corner as I was getting ready to release it. Mike's caught one, weighed in at 0.74. Logging it just to make sure we get it logged in, so that way we're fair. Get back to you when I catch another one. Well, that's going to be a wrap for today, guys. The bite just dropped off to nothing about, what, an hour ago?
Something like that.
Hour and a half ago. But all in all, a pretty decent day of fishing at a new pond. Can't expect anything more. Like I said, I caught everything I brought in on a black soft plastic worm, Texas rig. I tried a little top water here later in the evening, but nothing. Don't know what caused the bite to stop. Maybe it's just the way the pond works. I don't know. But if you like the video, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. It helps the channel grow. We're currently at 84 subscribers, on the road to 100. I guess until next time, that's all we got for you. Goober out.